I'm going to bring in some volunteer interviewees who've been trapped inside the house with me for the past 6 months, my wife and son, and put them through a quick interview to see how that might work. Hi, guys.
Hi.
So, first, I'm going to turn on the iSims tab, and I'm going to pick who I'm interviewing. And now I'm going to run you through some quick questions. So, Emily, how might you react if someone who had promised to change the faucet over 4 months ago did not complete that task?
Honestly, I would feel very negative about that. However, I might change my approach and try to get the job completed in a positive way whilst having that negative feeling.
That sounds pretty negative to me. Culture fit weak. So next up, Henry, can you count to 10 for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look at that. Genius. Will this person be a game breaker in the organization? Absolutely. Henry, if I asked you to share a peanut butter cup with me, would you share it with me?
Peanut butter.
Would you share the peanut butter cup with me? A pumpkin? Oh, look at that. You just want to make...
It will make you up. You have a back after that.
Okay. Well, thanks for sharing with me. I think that because you're so willing to share it, you're willing to help out your customers. And last question for Emily. Do you recall that during our wedding, you said you would remain married for the rest of our lives despite any faucet-related issues?
I do not recall such a vow.
Well, would you say then that you would be in it for the long haul with the Cyrus Family Organization?
Yes.
Okay, that's an excellent. Well, I want to say thank you guys very much. Thank you, Henry, for being such a good sport. And I'll end this interview.
Thank you.
Bye.